Hello guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to be showing you how to design a mobile app mockup for with Canva. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your Canva and type in this keyword mobile app mockup, and you would see an array of designs, multiple designs that you can just uh, take or creatively make your own. So once you've seen one like something like this, although this is a video, but you can still customize it to your taste, and this is a slide, so it depends on what you're looking for. It's a presentation slide, a quick video, short video, or a just any type of mockup that speaks to you and makes you that speaks to your brand. You can design them from Canva. So you can design, let's say you want to customize this, you just click on the template and you can go ahead to customize it with this button, and that is how to design a mockup for your mobile app on Canva. If you've enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next one.